you in the video. Hi.
Hey, hi.
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 How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I don't see your face.
I know you don't. I'm checking this to see, make sure that the volume is okay. I understand the volume was low in the last one that I did, so I'm fixing it this time. Each segment has to be, the volume has to be fixed. We're going to be hulling strawberries for Jim's birthday, and this is the birthday boy over there. Hey, birthday boy.
Oh, this thing's got quite a zoom on it.
It's a good camera on that.
I guess it is. There's all the girls working.
It's better than the birthday shortcake. It's shortcake for the birthday boy. That's in the sunshine.
I bought him that hat in Texas, and
I like
they
that
sell them.
hat.
I think it's cute. I like it too.
Yeah, that isn't bad. Keeps the sun off.
It's not his favorite, but
Jimmy wears
we got.
cowboy hats.
We have to loan our trailer out after we get home, and we wanted to use the couch as a bed. 'Cause, you know, it makes into a bed.
Yeah.
But we've never ever done it. And it has an air mattress, and so Jim and I thought we ought to at least try it out.
Try it?
We didn't lay on it, but we at least got it blown out.
This one's okay.
Yeah,
It had the
I trimmed it out.
Well, we're going to watch Larry read the newspaper.
Northeast resident now. Now it's getting windy over here. Yeah. Come on, wind.
Be following you.
I can't get anyplace without that wind.
Maybe you have to be in further.
Maybe the wind won't.
Or turn your back to the winds. Turn your back to it.
I gotta give this up.
Yeah. Oh, something.
Yeah.
Maybe if he puts his back to it, he can read the newspaper. We're going to give it a try.
That face doesn't want to stay on there. Have to come off the phone.
He wants you not
times.
to read it today.
Yeah. Alright. Not supposed to do this today. Alright. Now I'm ready for the next page. Alright. What do we got over here? Hey, you want to buy a chair?
No, thank you.
Oh, these are special refiners. They're handicapped.